people who swim in it. IT helps us. I mean, certainly when we get a model, we send it to IT and ask for, if we put this in Oracle or the data lake or somewhere, whatever technology they want to host in. And then get ready for that, and then whatever tool can plug into it, as long as we can get a text file or a database connection, if we can get an LDPC connection, we're good to go. But we've kind of got a little bit jaded towards the vendors. And I'm not speaking on, I've worked at IT too, but I'm speaking on the side of the operations and manufacturing operations. We just don't have the time to target a new tool or the skill they can't buy. So the best bet in our world is to learn the basic skills of the tools as they come out, leverage that, get it in production pretty quick. But like Paul said, keep the old stuff running too. I mean, there's no reason to shut it down because it works. And 10 of them, we've got reports we've been running for over a decade that have never broken in Object and Crystal reports. We're not going to retrofit those. We'll just keep them running. But the newest one that comes out now needs to be done in whatever management and IT and everybody agrees needs to be the tool. At the same time, we're just staging gargantuan amounts of data, clean, so we can use it in whatever tool we want. And starting to form models. I mean, you as precedent, but we're starting to form models. It's almost like an IT star schema, right? We have a transactional data set over here in a bunch of dimensions, and the business itself is working a lot more lockstep with IT instead of IT leading it. The business is saying, here's our data, now you host it for us, so we can actually use it. That might actually really evolve into something pretty cool, where there's a partnership. But,
right, that's really interesting. You raised a very important point there, which is that with all these tools coming along, there's a learning curve, right? And so suddenly your management says, well, don't use this tool anymore, use this tool, right? And so now you've got users, departments have to now learn a brand new tool. And that's obviously a cost, and that's not always successful, particularly if you've been using a tool for a long time, you've mastered it, and now you're being asked to use something else. Interesting enough, that's actually been Tableau's strength, because Tableau is the kind of tool that most people could just use out of the box. It's Microsoft's BI demise, because once you try to use Power BI, you quickly realize this, well, you don't learn the DAX language, you've got to do this, do that. And you have to keep going back to IT to ask for things. And so it becomes frustrating, whereas the business usually using Tableau is just off the run. Here it is on my desktop, I'm going, great guns, and so forth. But again, that would lead in the direction of if the tool is truly intuitive and can be used very quickly with a minimal learning curve, those tools are going to tend to be the ones that will be successful in that kind of environment.
one thing I like about the more standard, the BI, the object tools and the Tableau tools, are that they do have some level of governance that the IT and the business can agree to. I mean, how many people have heard their directors or their executives say, I'm tired of running this business on spreadsheets. We're Fortune 500 company. I have a million spreadsheets out there. We should have something better. And my belief is, my personal belief is, Microsoft Power BI is exactly in that direction. It's easy to publish. It depends on your governance model. It can be very loose. With Tableau, I mean, there's a specific number of developer licenses. Those people are in a fairly well-governed organization, have been trained and are overseen by the organization. Because it's expensive, quote unquote, but it's not expensive because it eliminates confusion when central organizations who are trained and qualified with their information publish it. It's a lot less expensive than the confusion of 15 people coming with a spreadsheet. I mean, we all live that if you've been doing this for 20 years. So I'm skeptical as a unit tool. I mean, honestly, Tableau is a pretty big game changer because I work in the business. We can produce content pretty quick and get answers and get solutions. I also like the object tools on the BI side because it's more standardized and institutionalized. If you get the IT partnership, you can get the money to get the budget to go get them to build that for you. It's great. So it's kind of a happy place to play. But that's trying to
Yeah. Good insight. Any other comments before we wrap up for the raffle? I know you all want. All right. Okay.